Anyway, one about that Zimbabwe dance that I got cooler down because there's this song that really touched me a lot. So me I got wanna win and the Denga.
Welcome to Zoo Music 263, your premier destination for the freshest beats and biggest stories in the Zimbabwean music scene. If you're craving the latest Zim music news, you've hit the jackpot. In today's explosive update, we are dissecting the drama that got everyone talking. Holyten, one of Zim hip hop's finest, has reportedly pulled out of Hwinza's Denga remix. So abatungoti Holyten arikunzi azvibuditsa mu remix ya Hwinza inonziyo Denga akatibvisa vhesi rangu from the song. He is no longer interested. He doesn't want to feature anymore. It is being said that Holyten was unaware that Ti Gonzi, another hip hop heavyweight, was laying down some verse on the same track. He thought kuti he was like he was the only biggest Zim hip hop artist who was on the song. Asingazive kuti ayewa Ti Gonzi angano a verse on the same track. So the buzz started when Uncle Munumtapa dropped a bombshell snippet on TikTok showing Ti Gonzi's Fear verse. So this verse quickly grabbed people's attention. It took people's attention on TikTok when commented Ti Gonzi abakarova. I think after Holyten akaona as if his verse yanga isiri enough. So hence he called for a withdrawal of his verse from the Denga remix. We all wanted to see the Denga remix, but it seems as if we won't be seeing the Denga remix anytime soon. Holyten's sudden retreat. Is it a strategic move or a sign of intimidation? With both artists at the pinnacle of their careers yet never collaborating, it begs the question, what's keeping these titans from teaming up? Is it a silent battle for supremacy or something deeper? As we peel back the layers of this intriguing saga, one thing is for sure: Holyten's verse, which he teased on social media, is now shrouded in mystery. Was it really so controversial that he chose to withdraw rather than face potential backlash? We all know Holyten. Don't miss a bit of this unfolding story. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for Zim Music 263 to stay updated with the juiciest Zim Music news.
We got the news that you need. Entertain